Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government is deploying 40,000 more troops and paramilitary personnel in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to suppress the Kashmiris' ongoing freedom movement. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Modi regime is making deployment of these forces personnel in the name of security measures for the annual Hindu pilgrimage, which is scheduled to commence on June 30th this year. Thousands of additional reinforcement of Central Reserve Police Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, Sashtra Seema Bal and the Border Security Force are being rushed to the Kashmir Valley. Reports said every day at least 4 companies of the force's personnel have started arriving in the territory. Indian Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla, in his recent visit to Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, directed the Indian Forces personnel to intensify cordon and search operations in the territory. The All Parties Hurriyat conference leaders in their statements have expressed serious concern over the deployment of more troops by India in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. They said that Kashmir is already the most militarized zone of the world, where Indian troops have made the life of Kashmiris a hell. Meanwhile, Indian troops launched a massive search operation at Vatnar in Kokarnag area of Islamabad district today. Earlier, an Indian soldier was killed in an attack in the area. Unidentified gunman shot dead a sarpanch at Ghoshbug in Patan area of Baramulla district. Posters appeared in Srinagar, Badgam, Baramulla, Sopore, Bhumai, Zainagar, Uri and other areas saying that Hindutva forces including Bharatiya Janata Party and RSS as well as their collaborators have no place in the territory. The posters said the Kashmiris will never forgive the traitors like Sajjad Ghani Lone, Altaf Bukhari and Imran Ansari. People Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti in a series of tweets said that Bharatiya Janata Party was bulldozing the constitution and Saffron Party's leader were outdoing each other in stripping Muslims of their homes and livelihood in India. She was referring to the Khargon district administration in Madhya Pradesh demolishing at least 50 structures of people accused of pelting stones during a procession of Hindu festival Ram Navami. On the other hand, the Hindutva mob set ablaze 2 houses of Muslims in Agra city of the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. The authorities in Khargon city of Madhya Pradesh have demolished the houses of 3 jailed Muslim men on the accusation of their involvement in violence that erupted during a procession of Hindu festival Ram Navami last Sunday. The Muslim men Shehbaz, Fakhru and Rauf have been jailed since March 5th.